Alright, so here are two Carrier Tech2000 silencer system air conditioners, revisited, and this one's buzzing, and this one's running, and yeah, this one's buzzing. This one might have a bad capacitor. Very cold and sweaty. Yep, this one is not working. Oh yeah, that's very hot. I love these units so much. Figured I'd come back on a day like this to catch them running, and here they are running. The shroud piece is rattling. Yep, this one's not working. Probably has a bad run cap. And here's the data, 2001 5-ton, 38 TUA. And this one's the same thing, but this one's from 2000. Cope and Skull compressors, so. I figured I'd get this video of them running. But yeah, this one's working very well. This one's capacitor is probably dead, so. I'll also take a look at the Trane XB13 or XB10 on the other side. And here's the Trane not running. May have been. Let's see. No, has not been running. It's a very, very hot day today. It's gonna be 100. There's a window unit running. 2008 3-ton XB13. I already kind of knew it was a 13 because it had the Alliance scroll. Anyways, here's this and the Tech2000s revisited. Thanks for watching, and what kind of motor is that? Looks like the paint is all worn off on the motor. That's interesting. Alright, thanks for watching.